friends, welcome to my channel. My channel's name is Style My Way Usha and I am Usha. I make videos related to fashion, lifestyle, styling, and I also do a lot of DIYs. If you like all these things, please subscribe to my channel. And today I'm going to do a styling video. I'm going to take a plain black saree and I'm going to style it in many different ways. I hope you will enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. So without further ado, let's get into my video.
So for this first look, I went with the proper Indian traditional look. I paired this black saree with a black kurta which I had. It has this zari embroidery all over. And I cinched my waist using this transparent belt which has a pearl buckle. I really loved this look. It's so traditional and yet trendy. This look is perfect for any small functions or parties, and even if you are invited for weddings, for a wedding guest look, this is very perfect. With the same look, I paired this Banarsi black colored dupatta which I had. I just pleated it and put it over my other shoulder and then wore the belt over it. The next look is more of a modern trendy look. I paired the same black saree with this top from H&M. This is a turtleneck floral print top with full sleeves. You can create this look with any kind of turtleneck top. It need not be floral print top. It can be any contrasting color like fuchsia, pink or green or any other color will do fine. So for this next look, I paired the black saree with this collared shirt. As you can see, it's a button down collar shirt with full sleeves. So for this look, I paired the black saree with this fuchsia pink top which I got from Zara. It's a one shoulder top and on the shoulder there is one big black beautiful bow which I really like. This goes very well with the black saree and see how trendy and beautiful it looks. I really love this look. This is the first time I have tried this look. It's perfect for any party. So for this next look, I took the pallu to the front and then I cinched my waist with this elasticated white belt. It's a wide belt, so it gives a nice look to this saree. This look is perfect for any parties where you are busy and you don't want to adjust your pallu all the time. This next look is perfect for the New Year's Eve party. So I paired the same saree look with this waterfall shrug or sequins jacket. So this next look is perfect for the winter season. I am pairing the same saree look with this white blazer. And then I am going to cinch my waist with the same elasticated belt to give it shape. This blazer is very pretty and beautiful because it has this lacy net kind of sleeves. And this goes so well with sarees. I really love this blazer a lot. So for this next look, I paired the black saree with this burgundy colored sweater. This has this crisscross detailing in the front at the neckline, as you can see. And it gives a very beautiful look to the saree which I really like. This look is also perfect for the winter season. So this next look is inspired by Sonam Kapoor's double sari look. This look is so pretty and beautiful. I have tried this for the first time and I really fell in love with this look. So this next look is also a double sari look. I have paired this black sequin dupatta with the black sari. And I cinched my waist with this transparent belt. This look is perfect for functions and parties like wedding, engagements and receptions. And you can also wear it for New Year parties too, as the New Year is coming up. I'm giving you these ideas. So I hope you like my video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and bye for now.